Hello, everyone. Today, I've had a lot of questions recently about how I use ChatGTP to create and sell items on Facebook Marketplace. I have found a super successful process that I think will work for a lot of people and is very simple. Um, and it's definitely worked for me. So I'm going to run you through that process, start to finish. So step one, take really good photos. Lighting does matter. Daylight is best if you can get it outside in front of like a garage door. The backdrop matters too. Honestly, don't just, have a messy room in the background to put it against a white wall or something. Uh, Different angles is a good idea. Um, and then take the photos, edit them, make them look good. You know, um, play with the color balance, brightness, crop, whatever you need to do, make them look good. Photos are very pivotal and most definitely worth the time. And it doesn't really take all that long. At that point, I download the photos to my desktop, put them in a place just so they're there, and then I can delete them right after I'm done. Then I head over to ChatGTP. I have taken a photo of this product's label every single time, right? I always get it. So I'm going to grab that label photo, I'm going to input it, and I'm going to say identify this product. And then it's going to search. And it's going to tell me that this is a Husky 46-inch by 18 uh, 9-drawer mobile workbench cabinet. Here's everything about it. Everything that anybody needs to know, right? So you have to train ChatGPT a little bit, right? Uh, it has to know what you want as far as an exact format and other random things. So, but anyway, I've asked it that. Now it knows what the product is, and then I'm going to say do some research. Do some on this item's value. And then it's going to come back. It's going to look at several different factors. It'll do some digging, cost breakdown, current retail price listed at $448. I did confirm this. Um, it's been as low as $298. Actually, a couple years ago it was $248. That's what I bought it at on sale. And it looks like eBay is selling them for $100 higher than Home Depot, which is ridiculous. Um, so it is a truly in like new condition, no scratches, dents, stings, none of that stuff, right? So basically look for excellent condition. It says aim for 250, 300. Cool. I actually started at 350. Um, and then I have a chat that I never delete out of ChatGTP. This is where I've trained it to write on my Facebook ads. So at that point, I'm going to tell it, write me an SEO for Facebook Marketplace for put in the model number. And then it gives me an exact SEO optimized Facebook Marketplace for my toolbox. And then I'm going to copy this top because this is the title for your listing. So I'm going to head over to Facebook. I'm going to pop up the items for sale here. I'm going to grab some photos that I already have on my desktop. Put those in here. I don't want labels. There's no reason to do that. Everything that this person's going to need to know is in the ad. I did put a photo of the key, right? Because there's a key to this toolbox, and that is something that a lot of toolboxes don't come with. So here's the photos of my toolbox uploaded. Great. My title, pasted in right out of what I copied from ChatGTP. I determined my price is going to be around $350. The category you put your product, your item in does matter. Make sure you choose the correct thing. I'm going to go automotive tools because that probably is the right place to put it. Use like new. It truly is in use like new condition. Then I'm going to come back to ChatGTP and I'm going to copy the body, the description. I'm going to put that into Facebook. Boom. There you go. It knows everything about this. I don't know why it's saying rubber wood, solid woodwork surface. I don't really I don't know about rubber wood. Um, Definitely proofread it. Make sure it's correct because ChatGTP can make mistakes. Fair disclosure. 1,100 pound capacity. The dimensions are there. It's a common question people would have. Um, you know, make sure it's good. Condition, you may have to go back here, right, and say put in some condition details, saying side has a big scratch or the bottom's scratched up or whatever, just to make sure that, and then tell it to write that into the listing. It'll rewrite this whole body, but add those little details. And uh, all of this stuff I deal for, that's SEO stuff, right? That's search engine optimized stuff. That is stuff that people could be searching for or puts it into certain categories. Leave that section. You definitely want that there. I always have this disclosure: located where I'm at, local pickup or will deliver for an additional dollar per mile. I've definitely had people take me up on that, and it's a great way to get a little extra dollar out of your product, your item. But most of the time, people just opt to come to you. It's a good way to kind of shut that down nicely. I always click public meetup, door pick up, drop off. I have a great place near me um, that I meet people that is very safe, very secure, and has one of those police camera, monitoring stations in it. So it's a good place to go. And then uh, publish it. I'm not going to publish this particular one because I just sold it the other day. I did sell it for $350 and I sold it within 3 hours, and that's no BS. The strategy that I use. So I posted about 75% of what the new value is on day one. And then every other day or every 3 days, depending on how on it I want to be, I'll drop the price by $5 to $10. I'll do that around 5 p.m. every day. My theory behind this is right when people are getting home from work, scrolling Facebook Marketplace. Anytime you change the price, it also refreshes the ad so it pops back up near the top. And that's kind of nice to know too. Um, Once I start getting multiple messages, I know the price has hit the sweet spot. Um, if if I get a message from a serious buyer right after listing it, I know I'm going to get top dollar for it. The longer it stays on there, obviously I'm not going to get as much. But yeah, that's pretty much what I do. That's my full process. Take great photos, let ChatGTP handle the research and writing, and use pricing to keep your ad visible. Um, it saved me a ton of time and helped me sell a whole lot faster. And I've cleaned my garage out so much, just stuff that everyday stuff that I just collected and needed to just get rid of. It's been great. So anyway, thanks for watching. Drop me a comment with your process if you like it, if you try it and it works. I'd love to hear the feedback. Otherwise, like, subscribe, the whole YouTube thing. We'll see you guys in the next one.